Okay, fine. So can you see my screen?
Yes.
So this is our task. We will handle some questions, some particular question of trigonometry and bearing, right?
Yeah.
So first of all, see this. What we learned yesterday. You remember?
Angle properties
And
and some trigonometry.
okay, very nice. So you remember the concepts
Yeah.
that we'll use today. Okay,
Okay.
that's fine. So let's we start our. I just start my camera. Let me start again from here first. Now from here. Yeah, it came. So this I put down. Now see, this is your question. Now we try to solve this question. And what about this? First of all, you will find PQ, right? So can you guess? Can you see how you can find PQ?
PQ. Yes, PQ. Okay.
PQ is basically in this figure. PQ is this. This is a PQ. So how you will calculate PQ?
Okay. So PQ.
It's very easy, I think. Question number 13.
Oh, cosine.
So how you will find PQ? Do you have any idea?
Yeah, we'll use cosine rule.
Very nice. Cosine rule. Are you sure? This is a
Yes.
triangle triangle, dear.
Okay.
Right?
Then,
So that today you have to do very quickly. Don't delay. I want that you must do very quickly because we have to do too much. So now quickly tell me, in order to find PQ, how many things are given and how many things you will apply?
this will do. It's right angle triangle.
Yes. So which ratio you will
Fine.
use? In the right angle triangle. Which triangle you will use is to find PQ? This one?
We'll use RQP.
Yeah.
RQP.
So RQP. So what it will be? Very quickly calculate it. RQP. RQP is this.
Um,
RQP. This angle is 27.6 and this side is given. If one side and one angle is given, you need to find this. Very quickly calculate it.
okay. RQ. Okay.
What you will use
So,
to calculate this?
sir, RQ is adjacent, right?
Yeah,
Or is it's opposite?
of course. This you will use.
It's adjacent. Okay.
Yeah. So
So we'll use cosine.
cosine.
Cosine. Yeah, cos.
Okay, fine. I accept you. I accept
27.6.
answer. So cosine. Yeah, cos 27.6 equal to x over.
0.886.
Okay, so x equal to cos 27.6 divided by 5.6.
Cos 27 and divided by and then is 20. Okay. Cos 27 times 5. Sir, answer will be 5.07.
Okay, I believe 5.07. It's very quickly we can calculate it. Cos 27.6 divided by 5.7. Why my answer is change? I put equal to sign and then divided by 5.7. Okay, how you calculate it? Cos 27.6 divided by 5.7. Yeah, this is
Yeah,
what? Answer is what? 5.07.
5.07.
Yeah, it's sensible. Yeah, it's makes sense. Yeah, and then next part is SPR. SPR is the angle, right? So
Yes,
which angle is SPR? SPR.
we are
Yeah, quickly
right.
tell me how you will do. This is also right angle triangle. For SPR, what you will do? Which ratio you will
Okay.
apply?
Okay, so SPR.
Hmm.
Okay, angle SPR. So,
Yeah, angle SPR.
okay, so
Angle
hypotenuse
SPR, what you will
given,
do?
hypotenuse
Ratio
is
you will
given,
do.
and
Yeah.
what is that? Adjacent is given.
Opposite over hypotenuse, not adjacent every time. This for this angle, this is opposite, and this is hypotenuse, right? So
Yes.
opposite over hypotenuse come in sine, right? So you
Yeah.
can do sine inverse. Quickly
Yes.
calculate. Now calculate, please.
Opposite to hypotenuse.
Sine inverse 3.2 divided by 5.7. What's the answer?
Hmm. 3.2 divided by 5.7 equals to 0.561. So sine inverse
Hmm.
0.561. 34.12.
0.1 degree. Okay.
Yeah.
So sometime they in the exam they write some decimal places or round off to whole number. So you can handle that one. Now next is PSR, PST. So PST, if you see the PST is this angle, right? Now
Yes.
this is not a right angle triangle. Now this is not a right angle triangle, and this arrow shows that 3.2. 3.2 is PS. So let me make the figure for you again for this part. So this angle is given is 63.9, and this side is 3.2, and this is S, this is P, and this is T. So you need to calculate PST, the angle PST means this angle you need to calculate PST,
Okay.
okay, and this is 2.7. So what you will use? Quickly tell me. This is
PS.
non-right angle triangle. Yeah, this
Okay.
angle you need to
This
calculate this
one.
angle.
Sine rule.
Yeah, very nice. So we will apply the sine rule and we will put this one in the top. Sine x divided by 2.7, right?
Yes.
Equal to
7 equals to sine 63.9
hmm,
divided by
hmm, 63.9 sine 63.9 divided by 3.2.
3.2.
X will be equal to 2.7 sine 63.9 divided by 3.2, and this whole is sine inverse. Please put in your calculator and find out the answer.
Okay. 63 point. Plus 2.7.
Hmm.
0.7.7 and sine inverse. Answer is 49.2.
Okay, you calculate it. Okay, 49.2.
Yes.
Okay, if you say means I believe that you can calculate it sine inverse this all. So 49.2.
2.
So this is the angle, right? Now you have done very nice. This question you have done, and your whole trigonometry is revised from this ratios and sine law. Now in the next question, let's see what you will revise. In question number 14, so discuss with me how you will do this question when you need to calculate the QR. When you need to calculate the QR, what you will do? QR is this.
Okay, it's
Need
90
to calculate
degrees right angle triangle.
right angle triangle. Just orally tell me, then I will move forward.
Okay,
Hmm.
QR.
Hmm. For QR, which side and angle you will use?
Okay. So this hypotenuse and then so this will be 1 second.
Hmm.
This will be opposite over hypotenuse. So sine rule.
Where is opposite?
It's not given. So we have
So what you
no
are calculating? You are calculating QR. Where is QR? QR is opposite. Where?
no QR is adjacent.
So you
So
become,
adjacent over cosine rule.
yeah, cosine ratio, not cosine rule. Cosine rule is different.
No, sorry, cosine ratio.
Cos ratio, right? Sine
Yes.
cosine ratio. So you become old again here. Yesterday I told you that you are young, but still you are proving that you become old. So why you are using cos sine while its cos is required? Okay, in any way. So you can easily find it. Next, CQ PQ. How you will find PQ in this? Tell me.
PQ. Okay. Yeah, you use cosine rule.
Cosine rule. Are you sure? Where the
Yes,
two sides are
cosine.
given, but the two sides are not given in this triangle. Only one side is given, and this is not right angle
Two
triangle.
angles.
Two.
Uh, yeah. Okay, then it's sine rule.
Sine rule. Okay. How you will apply sine rule? Tell me now. What I should write here?
Uh, Sine. Okay, we're finding PQ. So sine. So sine 55
Okay, I write here sine 55
over
over
x
PQ. PQ. Okay, and then
equals to sine 48
wow.
over 5.7.
Oh, sine 48. Opposite side is not given. Opposite to 48 is not given. So you have to use this and this. This is given. So what is this? This angle. If any one extra thing comes, you cannot do. You cannot do this angle. What is
It's
this?
77.
Yes. So you have to calculate first. So sine 77 over 5.7, right?
5.7. Yes.
Yeah. So now what you will do, if you will do the cross multiplication, right, like this. So PQ equal to 5.7. See quickly now, and this will come down. You agree with me if I make this setting?
Yes.
Because I will move this one over here, this one over here, then sine 77 will come in the denominator. Okay,
Okay.
so then you can find PQ. Done. Khalas. Move next. Now the last one of this page is, in the figure PRST is a straight line, and this blah blah is everything is given. One angle is 90 degree, that is we have to under consideration this is 90 degree is over here. This shown also a small square. If a small square is not given, then never think that this is 90 degree, right? This one is also 90 degree because they said this is straight line, right? So
Yes.
this total you can find, the total is 90 degrees, so 74. If you will subtract, you will get this one, right?
Yes.
From these two you can find this one. So remaining part of 180 is this one. So this and this makes this one. You can find this one also, right? So everything
Yes.
you can find. Now let's see PTS. PTS is what? PTS. It's very easy. For the PTS, what you will do? You tell me. This is 90-degree triangle for PTS, angle PTS. What you will do?
Okay. So angle PTS. Um, opposite is given and adjacent is given.
Hmm.
So it'll be tan. To
Okay. Opposite over adjacent. So 10 you will use, how you will use 10? Can you repeat?
Opposite is 4 over 3.
Okay.
4 over 3 divided by 5.7.
So you will calculate 10 inverse, huh?
Yes.
Very good. So always tell me completely. You say, sir, I will use this 10 inverse 4.3 divided by 5.7. Right? So you will get
Yes.
angle. So for angle we always use the inverse. The next thing is what?
ER.
Hmm.
PR. 4.3 divided by 4.7 to
PR. PR is.
0.7.
So you have one side and one angle, huh?
Yes.
Which you are using? Which ratio you are using? If you have one side and one angle.
ER.
Yeah, for PR.
So that line QS, can I just ignore it?
Yeah, of course. We are talking
Yeah.
about this PRS. We are talking
PR.
about this triangle, bigger one. For this triangle, angle and side is given. So you can find PR.
So it's 90 degree,
Hmm.
and we have to find PR. Okay,
Yeah,
so
like this.
no, that's hypotenuse. Oh, 1 second.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Hmm.
So hypotenuse over. Why there's no other side?
I made the triangle for you.
Oh, oh, that's 4.3. Okay.
Hmm.
So hypotenuse over adjacent.
Oh, la la, Zim. I never seen maths hypotenuse come.
Adjacent over hypotenuse.
Yeah, you become too old. Just eat something to become young. Okay, so what you will do, cos 63 equal to 4.3 divided by h. So h equal to 4.3 divided by cos 63. Okay, so you will get
Okay.
the answer of this one, PR. So this is PR. Okay, so this is R, PR. Now next thing is in this question, QS. Yes, boy. Now QS you will find
US.
this. This is
QS. Okay.
when two angles are given, these two, you can find this one first. The first responsibility is this. Find this angle. Tell me.
Which angle? That one. Okay.
Missing.
So 43.
Okay, this is 40.
Angle is 43.
So this is 43. So QS, Q and Q, can you find QS now? What you will apply?
US. Okay.
What you will apply to find QS? Now tell me.
QS will be sine rule.
Okay, so what I should write over here?
So sine equals to, is it sine? Wait, one second.
Let's start with QS.
Sine.
QS is
Okay.
over
So
sine 63. Okay. Next is
yeah.
what?
What's a QS?
Yeah,
It's sine
QS
63.
over sine
Okay.
63 equal to
And then sine 43. Sorry, not
4.3.
no. That would be in denominator.
Yeah,
So
4.3 over.
4.3 divided by sine 43.
Yeah, so QS will be 4.3 into sine 63 divided by sine 43. Now calculate please and tell me what's the answer.
Um, 45 times
4.3.
sine
4.3. 4.3. 4.3
5.3
times sine 63 is equation and divide by sine 43.
divide by sine 40. Divide by sine 43. 5.61.
Okay, 4.3 times sine 63 divided by sine 43. 5.6.
Yes. 6.
Okay, 5.617. Okay, done. So you have successfully done, my dear, this one. Now come on to the bearing today. Before starting bearing, I tell you few rules of bearing, then you will apply
Yeah.
over here. The few rules are this. For the bearing is, we always see this is very tricky, but once you understand, it become easy also. I remember, yes, last year one student, I was teaching her, she do everything wrong, and this is the hardest topic, she do this one is correct. I said, you born for bearing.
Mhm.
Really. And she was totally duffer in maths, but bearing, she was expert, smarter. Very quickly she said, this is the bearing. Okay, so this is a pole. Normally they give P is a pole, and if I say this one is A, bearing of A from P is this angle, right? Suppose this 70. So wording is important. 70 means 070. Sometime if two letter word we write for bearing, three letters, 0 we add, right? But here
Yeah.
we write only 70. So bearing of A from O. Letters are very important in this case. In the case of bearing, means you are coming from P. After from, you are coming from P to A. So P is this. This is P, right? P to A,
Yeah.
70. Answer is 70. But
70.
if I say bearing of P from A, now the case is reverse.
Yeah.
Bearing of P from A is, the case is reverse. Now you are coming from A towards P, right?
A towards P. Yeah.
So you will extend this line. You will extend this line and you will calculate like this. So this one you already calculate, you will add 180 degree. When the letter are reverse, what you will add? Add 180 degree. If the angle is smaller than 180, you will add 180. If angle is greater than 180, you need to subtract also, right?
Okay.
So if it was given already and they ask the bearing of A from P, you will subtract, right? But this time round, this is given and they ask this one P, right? So they reverse the order of letters. Bearing of P from A. So you are coming from, this is 180, this is compulsory 180, and this is 70. So total is 180 plus 70. So
180 plus.
180 plus 70. So you will get, how much is 180 plus 70? 250.
Yes.
Okay, 250. So 250 is your answer. Okay, in this case. Now you understand the criteria of bearing.
Yes.
All the geometry or all the angle properties will use in this case. Sometime you will use like this. They say this will be P, this will be Q, and you will make a line over here. If the bearing is given over here 65, so you can write this one, right? If these are the parallel lines, you will subtract from 180. First you will write like this one. And if they ask this bearing of P from Q, right? So what you will do, this
Yes.
angle you will subtract from 360 to get this one. Got it?
Okay.
Yeah, these are the techniques you will use. And sometime if they move over here like that, so you can make this straight line also. So you can put 65 over here because this is alternate angle, making Z like this. Yeah, sometimes we use this Z condition also. So this is making Z, right? So
Right.
this is Z. So this you can write over here, and the remaining angle is this bearing also given. So 180 minus this bearing, you will get this one. From these two you will get these two angle, right? And and then you will find the missing thing. That kind of questions come. So we need to do the practice of these things today. Okay, now inshallah we will do, and we try this question now. Now see, this question is given, the figure is this. The figure is this. I some of the lines are given, and I make for you this one clearly. This and this. This is north, east, west, and this one is 33 and A north, and over here this is 39, and this one is D, and this is 44. You have to recognize in this, as I told you in the beginning, how to recognize the bearing. So whatever they will ask, this is only given, right? This is only given in, because of with the pencil I marked sometime. So A, bearing of A from O. First part is bearing of
A from O.
A from O. A from O is how much? O is
O
this.
to A.
O is this. This O is
Yeah.
simple. O to A is how much? It is already given. You have to mark only.
What?
O to A is given here. You don't need to calculate over here. You have to mark only in this question. O to A is how much?
Oh, so you only have to draw it.
No, it's already drawn. This
Okay.
OA is how much? O to A. Bearing of A
28.
from O. Bearing of
28.
A from O is how much? O is this. O is this line here. It is not.
Yeah, yeah, fine.
So O to A. How
Oh,
much?
okay, then 33.
So why you are waiting here? You have become
No,
old.
sorry, I got.
An old person come needs delay always. Be quick. Now B.
Okay.
B is B from O.
B from O.
Yeah.
B from O. So
Hmm.
from north to B, 33. Okay. Uh,
Yes, B from O is
he, 105.
okay. B from O is 105. How you did 90 plus 28?
Sir, I did 33 plus 28,
Yeah,
and
this.
then I added 44 because opposite angles.
Oh my God. Okay,
That's
okay.
correct.
Yeah, you. I think you are. You are taking this into equal to this one. Yeah,
Yeah.
this is also good technique. But if you say this, how I did 90 plus 28. So try 90 plus 28. If your answer is correct,
90
put your answer.
plus 28. 90 plus 28.
This is the answer.
Hmm.
And what about this? You did 33 plus
4
44
plus 2.
plus 28. You did this.
Oh, that one's wrong then. Okay.
108. This is 108, yaar. Not this.
Hmm.
Okay. What you will do? Now next thing, C. C from O.
C from O.
Yeah,
Yeah.
from O to C. You are moving
O
towards
to C.
O to C.
O to,
O to C. O to C is
sir, can you lower the question? I can't see C.
okay.
Like, scroll down. Okay, yeah. O to C. Yeah, okay. That's right. O to C.
Yeah. O to C is
To the. Okay, so
this
90.
still here.
90 plus 44.
Why 90 plus 44? You will go only clockwise direction always. Always take clockwise.
Always clockwise.
Yeah, of course.
Okay,
The
fine,
bearing.
fine.
The
Okay,
bearing
fine.
always take clockwise.
Okay, 90 plus
You can use,
28.
you always observe the straight line first. A straight line, no need to calculate any angle. Suppose this is a straight line, right?
Yes.
Just turn off that music.
Oh, give me 1 second, sir.
Okay. Tell them my class is going on. Okay, okay, come on quickly.
Okay, sir.
Yes, so I was telling you that this is a straight line, right? A straight line
Yes.
always makes 180 degree. So 180 plus 33, why don't you do
Yeah.
this idea? 33
90
plus,
plus.
okay, calculate how much until I take water.
180 plus 3, yeah, 213.
Okay, 213 is your answer.
Sir, is it written in the question that like these are straight lines? Like will it always say, or you just have to find out by looking at it?
Yeah, you are right, yeah. I did wrong. Because in the question we can see that this is not a straight line. Huh?
Hmm.
Yeah, because it's not a straight line. It's not written even. That's why the previous question I didn't believe your answer. This is not a straight line. So what I will do, so tell me this 90 and this also 90, right?
Yes.
The first two 90 we will take complete.
Yeah.
And the rest is we need this angle. So 90 minus 44, first do this one. Or 270 minus 44. Till here 270, right? Till the third quadrant, you know that this is 270.
Yes.
270 minus 44, this is the best result. 270 minus 40.
226.
Yeah, this is your answer. You are perfect. You highlighted well. Very nice. This time round you perform well. Now next thing is D from O. The last one of this. D from O. The same thing you will do. Now you can do, I think. D from O. You will come
Yeah.
from the beginning, reach to D, how much this angle. First of all, tell me uh, from where I will move on, from where I will reach to find D from O.
Okay, so
Yeah, from here.
N to
And to
yeah.
move from here, reach till here.
Yes.
Very good. So this will be the D from O, right? So
Yes.
how you will calculate this angle? Total.
33
Here to here.
plus 20.
It's not necessary that you involve all these, right?
Oh, acha.
Yeah,
Okay, fine.
yeah.
Fine.
To some other technique.
180. Okay.
Hmm. What you will
That's
do?
270. Then
270.
270. One second. 270.
No, what? How much is the total?
270 plus
Oh,
59 will
okay.
be
First you
329.
subtracted from 90 degree. Oh, first you subtracted from 90 degree, huh?
Yeah.
And then you added that. Why don't
Yeah.
you 360 minus 39?
60 minus 29. 360 minus 29.
360 minus 39.
39.
Yeah,
Okay. 321.
that's the thing, right?
Okay.
So that's your answer. 320, 321 or something else. Tell me correct here.
321.
Not 321. Oh yes, 60. Yes, you are right. 321 is your answer. Okay, now next one is okay. Now some other thing. Okay. Now move on to the next one. Yes, see this question. In this question, these are the things given. First of all, yeah, here also I make something by hand, so I have to write this question again. I write for you. This is North South Pole. This is North Pole. We always go clockwise, and this is given. 35 is given. A is given over here, and then C is given over here, and the angle with the x-axis is 47 degree. And one more thing is given here, that is this 15. This is 15, right? Only these things are given, and this is
Yeah.
B, and this is B, and the pole is P. P is the middle point. That's pole, right? Now we will calculate all these things which are given in question. This is the best exercise if you'd have done this, and the bearing will be clear. So now see, bearing of A from P. Now tell me.
P to A.
A from P. Wording.
A from P. So P to A.
Yes.
So
This was the answer.
P to A. So wait, which line is P? Is it the one with 47?
This P is this. Where? Only 47.
Which?
This is 47.
Okay.
This is 47.
Yeah. Okay.
Now
So
tell me.
P. Okay. Yeah. P to A. So P will go. That one is 90 plus. Okay.
Yes, boy.
55 plus 90. 145.
145. P from A
Yeah.
is 145.
Yes.
I will kill you, Wallah. If you are near me, I can kill you. This P from A. Huh?
Yes.
A from P. It is the question is A from P. A from P. This only upper part.
Yeah.
My question is this. A from P. I started with that.
Oh my God. Okay.
A from P is upper part. For what the 35 is given? Use that one.
Alright. It's 55.
Okay, yes. Then 90. You subtract from 90. Next is C from P.
C from P.
Hmm.
C from P. So P to C. Where's C? Okay.
Hmm.
So 1 second. P to C. So that one is 90
The last question we
plus
also use this technique.
C. So 180.
We count all.
Yeah. So 180. 180. Plus 90 plus 47.
Till here
P
you
to C,
already.
yeah? P to C.
C from P.
C from P, so P to C only. So it's 317.
317.
Yes.
Okay. C. This is 90, 180, 270. 270 plus 47. You did this?
Yes.
Okay. 270 plus 47 is how much?
317. 317.
Wallah lazim, you are genius. Okay. Next thing. C from P you done. B from P. B from P. B. A
Okay.
from P was 55. B from P is you have to find. What
P
is
to B. P to B. So 90 plus okay. Okay, 75. So 75 equals to what do you call it? 165.
165?
Yes.
Because why you pick your ear, left ear from your right hand? Left ear from left hand. Yeah. Just go to 180. 180 minus 15. Simple as that. 180 minus 15. Simple, right? So you first you do calculate this one and then add 90, right? So better you just subtract this one and you need till here you need. Okay.
Yeah.
Next thing is next thing is PD, part number B. Now reverse. We will do the reverse condition. I told you then in case of reverse what we do. So P from A.
So A
I reverse.
to P.
A to P we already done. Now P to A. P from A.
Okay. P from A. So
Yeah.
A to
What you
P.
will do?
Okay. So that's 35 plus 75.
P from A. What I told.
Yeah, P from A.
In the beginning,
P
what I
from
told you.
A.
If the letter are reverse, what you do?
So A to P.
Yeah.
We go. Yeah. So
What do you do when the letter are reverse? In the first concept I told you, when the letter are reverse, what you add?
When the letters are reversed, you add 360.
You add 180. You are going a
80.
straight line. This is straight line. You are going a straight line. You like this. You are coming
180 plus 70.
180 plus the previous answer. This
Oh, okay, fine.
when you
Because
run.
so A from P is
Yeah,
70, and you have to
A
get
from
P from
P,
A,
from P was 55. 55
55.
plus 180 you will do. 55 plus.
5 plus 180.
Okay, what's the answer? The next two will you will do now.
225. Okay.
Okay, now next two you will do. P from B.
Okay. What did we get for B to P was
P
B
from
to
B.
P was yeah.
Yeah,
So P from B.
yeah.
Yeah, fine. So B to P.
That
What did
was
we?
that was 165. 165.
That was 165. So 165
Hmm.
plus 180, 347.
Yes. Now you got correct. Last one. F
P from C.
from C.
P from C. Okay, so 317.
No, it's already P from C. P from C. C from P was already given. In this case, you will subtract 180. Got it?
Huh? 80.
Yeah. Because you will subtract 180. You are coming from C. So your line will come over here. Just make good concept. Your line
Okay.
will be going there, right? So this one, so I need this one, only this one. I don't need this complete, right? So this
Yes.
part I will subtract. So in this case, you will subtract 180 degree. Got it?
Okay.
So
Okay.
the
So 317 minus 180.
minus, yeah, you are getting. Are
So
you getting this
127.
point? Are you
Yes, I
getting
got
this
it.
point? If you get this point, it's wonderful. Sometimes we need to subtract. In the beginning, I told you. Sometimes you need to subtract. Sometimes you need to add. Mostly it happens when the angle is more than 180. We require subtraction, right? When the angle is given angle is less than 180, we have to add. Got it?
Okay.
Because you make the direction and you can guess. Okay, the next one is, yeah, this is the same question. Yeah, this one. No. This question I also, oh my god, all the answers are written. Just close your eyes. Anyway, we need to practice. So the question is, sometime they give you figure, sometime not. So in this also they give you figure, this, and this 43. This is 43, and this is R, this is Q. In this we will use some angle properties. This is P, this one is 37, and this one is 36 degree, and this going a straight line, right? The straight line always support you towards 90 degree. You go, and in this case you will do in this case this Z also, right? So let's see how we will do this. Now what is first required? First requirement is Q from P, right? Q
from P.
It's very easy, it's given, huh?
Yeah.
Q from P is 36 is given, right? So this is, we have to recognize only. Next thing is what they ask, P from Q. You will tell me the reason because answers are written. So P from Q, this is
P from Q.
Yeah, I just reversed the letter.
Yeah. So 36
Now you are
plus 180.
very nice. You are using your
216. Yeah.
180 plus 36. Very good. So next thing is R from P.
R from P.
Hmm.
Is R. Okay. That is R from P. P to R.
R is this. R from P means I will make the pole over here also, right?
Yeah.
So P is this. So from this I am coming. So I will extend this line. So this is R from P. From P I am coming towards R, right? So
Yeah.
my angle
So
is,
it's 73.
my angle
Because 36 plus 37.
Wallah lazim, you are so genius. 36 plus 37. Because you use the corresponding angle, huh?
Yep.
Very nice. 73. If answer is given, it's big support. D. Okay, next thing is R. P from R. Reverse. Do the reverse let.
7
What you
plus
will do?
180.
Yeah, 73 plus 180. Very nice.
253.
Okay, it's 253. What I did? D. Huh? P from R.
P from R.
P from R. P from R. Yes, you are right. 36 plus 37 plus 180. You did like
Yeah.
37 plus 180. I think in the book it somebody did wrong. Okay. Anyway, so Q from R. Now Q from R.
Q from R.
Yeah, Q is this. Q is
Okay, wait.
this point is
R.
Q. This point is Q from R.
R to Q. Okay.
Yeah. Q from R. You will go from R. From R you will move towards Q. Means you are going over here and make the pole on Q. So this is your required angle. You got?
One sec.
It's very tricky. How you will do this?
Okay. So, one sec. Okay, that's 27. So that's 180. E plus. Okay. 180 plus 73. 326?
Okay, you are saying 326.
Yes.
The question is what? Question is Q from R.
Q to R.
It's the best part of this question. So Q from R. From R you are going to this one. Means still here, right? If
Yeah.
I know this angle, I will add 180, right? Because
Yes.
this is straight line. So for this angle, what I will do? I will use this angle, right?
Yeah.
This was 43. This was what? 73, I think.
Yeah, 73.
Add 43 and 73 and help me to find this one first.
43 and 73. 116.
Or subtract from 180.
64.
Okay, 64 you get it, right? So again subtract from 180 to get this one. I think same.
Yeah, 116.
116. So this is 116. I obtained this is 116 after this is struggle. And then add this plus this. This is 180 plus 116. 180 plus 116.
296.
Wonderful. What is the answer?
296.
296. Perfect. Okay, now last one. R from Q. This is R from Q. Reverse. Now if you are letter is reverse on in the last one.
Yeah.
So what you will do in the letter is reverse.
296. 296 minus 180.
Perfect.
So 116.
Done. Khalas. This makes sense. Got it?
Yep.
Yeah, it has been wonderful now. Your concept is built regarding this hard work by doing this hard work. So now this is another question when bearing and cosine law is used. Bearing and cosine law all together use. If I say find out this QL, of course you will use cosine law, right?
Yes.
And if I say find out the bearing of L from P, you will find this one, right? Now see what they ask. This is a past paper question, and they said find the bearing of P from L. Bearing of P from L. Yeah, you will do now. What is the bearing of P from L?
P from L, so L to P.
Yeah. This line will extend. Okay.
Okay.
So be careful now. Tell me, what's the answer?
So, but also you have to draw the extended line for L also, right?
Yeah, of course, you will extend the line. Yeah, you can draw the line over here. You want to draw here 90 degree, huh?
Yeah.
Here North Pole. Okay, here draw the North Pole here and start till here.
Okay.
So, but I'm using this point, right? If I extend this line, that means the same meaning, right? If I
Hmm.
extend this line, I can help this. I can take the help from these two angles, right? If I
Yeah.
extend this line, so what will be the answer?
Wait a second. Um, if from L straight line, let me draw the figure quickly and then
This is 75 degree. This is 50 degree, and this is L. This is another question. This is Q. Is 20, 17, and your question is find the bearing of bearing P
okay. To
from L.
L.
P from L.
L to P. Straight line there. So can you draw the straight line also for L? Like the
But
line?
if I say that follow my rule, why don't you
Hmm?
follow? I say
Yes.
P from L. From where you are coming? P from L.
L to
You are
P.
coming.
P
Yeah.
from
So
L.
you
L
are
to
going like this, right? You are going like this. So just make a dotted line over here, right? And you are
Yeah.
going over here. So from north to here, you need to find the angle. Simple is that. When you will learn from north to this line.
Okay, this is okay. L to
From north to this line.
so 50.
Yes. This straight line is 180.
50.
180 plus what?
190 minus 50. 180.
180 plus all this.
Yeah, 180 plus 75.
180 plus
Okay,
75.
75 plus
50.
50.
This is the
305.
Khalas. Simple as that. Right? Always make,
Yes.
if you make, if whatever you are doing, if you make like this, if you are making this one, right? In
Yeah.
that case also you can do. You will add these two and subtract from 180, you will get this one, right?
Yeah.
This one. Then again you will subtract from 180 degree this angle, you can get your answer. This also another way, right? But this way
Okay.
is easy, which I am telling you. There are so many ways, so just adopt the easy method. Okay, the next thing is see what you need to do. Calculate QL. So calculate QL very quickly.
It's QL. Okay, QL.
Hmm.
QL.
Yeah, in this figure, how you will calculate
Cosine
it?
rule.
Okay,
Cosine rule.
do cosine rule.
Okay. Hmm. So this one is not.
Cosine rule is so simple. We always directly put up all the values on calculator and take a square root.
Yeah. Okay,
Such
so 20 square
Mhm.
plus 15 square minus 2ab.
Mhm.
2a is 20. B is 17 times cosine 50. 251.
Who will take a
Oh,
square
sure.
root?
251, then yeah, so 251 251.90 15.87.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. 15.87 is your answer. Is correct. Okay. Now go on to the next one. This is done. Yes. So can you calculate PQL?
PQL. Show me the shape again.
Yeah.
PQL.
Shape again is this. Even I made this shape also. Yeah, this one. Can you find this angle?
PQL.
How you will do? Just discuss with me. I think you can do. Just tell me how you will find this PQL. This angle, how you will find? You found all the sides, right? Now this angle you need to find this angle. How you will find this angle? Which thing you will apply? Yes, Ayan, you sleep.
No.
So
Hello?
this angle, yes, this angle you need to find.
Yeah, yeah. So I will use what do you call it? I'll use cosine rule again. I'll just
No,
replace
no
all
cosine
the.
rule, no cosine rule. This angle.
Hmm, okay, then I'll use sine rule.
Yes, sine rule.
Sine
Khalas,
rule.
khalas. I want to listen
So,
only.
but you can use cosine rule also for this, right?
How?
Because you got all three sides.
Yeah, but that's too difficult,
Too
right?
difficult. Okay.
Yeah, because angle will involve and your calculation is I know super.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so now this calculate PLQ. PLQ was this. PLQ. PLQ. Yeah, PLQ also we can find by sine law.
Yeah.
And then next one is hence the bearing of Q from L. How you will calculate the bearing of Q from L?
Q from L. Okay.
Q from L. Q from L. The bearing
Okay.
of
So Q from L.
yeah.
So
That will
L
be
to
yeah. That will be like this. That will be this. Q from L. Q from L means you are going like this. So this angle you need to find. This angle.
Q from L. Okay. Fine.
You know, you found this complete angle in the triangle, right?
Yes.
And you know this angle also because sum of these two is 180 degree supplementary angle, right?
Yes.
You will add these two and subtract from 180, you will get this angle, and this total angle minus this angle you will get this bearing, right?
Yes.
Bearing of Q from L you will done so easily. I'm not saying that you calculate once you will. I'm giving you hint, later on you can calculate, it will save your time. Okay, next thing is a boat P. A boat leave P and sails in a straight line to Q. A boat is going from P to Q. P to Q. In this direction, the boat is going.
P to Q.
Yeah, P to Q. In this direction, the boat is going. And now it takes 4 hours 35 minutes to sail from P to Q. From here to here, it takes 4 hours 35 minutes. And here the time is 2:23. What is the starting time? The journey time is the journey time there.
Okay.
The journey
It
time
takes
is 4
4
hours.
hours and 50 minutes is
3
journey.
minutes is journey time, and the
Yeah.
arrival time is 2:23.
222.
Tell me when it is start. Departure time.
Okay. So 223. 223.
You will go back this much hours, right?
Yep. Wait. Okay, 223 one second.
Means you have to
Okay.
subtract this, huh?
Yep.
Hmm.
Subtract it. So 453.
So 2:23 is arrival time. So you have to, if you go back 2:23 to go back towards the early time, it will be morning time, I think.
Hmm.
No,
Yes,
2:23.
morning.
2:23 is early. It's AM, and you go back 4 hours late, 4 hours before. So it should go on the previous day, the PM
Yeah.
before.
So it should be, see, 60.
Yeah, 16.
And three. Use this by 3. 83 minus 53, 30, and then 4 hours back. So
It's mind teasing if you calculate orally. I carry 60 minutes. 60 and 20, 83 minus this is 0.
9:30.
8.
30.
Because
9.
oh, because 11, yeah, one is carry 11 and 7:30.
7:30.
Yes, 7:30. You know what I did? I added 12 in this because if it is smaller, how you cannot subtract, right?
Yeah.
So then going one day back, so 7:30. Answer is 7:30. So if you now count 7:30, if you now count 7:30 and how many hours? 4
I'll
hours
say it.
53 minutes.
Okay.
7:30 or what? I think it's still wrong. 7:30 plus 4 hour 53 minutes. 3 8 11. Yeah, so you move one carry over here. When it's more than 60, you carry over here again. 12 and 23. Yes, correct.
Here's the answer.
Yeah, this is the answer.
7:30.
7:30. You know, only remember this in the junior classes. We also do this journey time plus departure time equal to arrival time, like this, huh?
Yeah.
So when the time is 1 hour, 1 day ahead, we add or subtract 24, like that. So these are the things used. Okay, next thing is find out the shortest distance. This is last part. Find out the shortest distance between the boat and lighthouse. Now see, I am showing again the figure. Lighthouse L. Lighthouse L, the shortest distance from P to lighthouse. This is, they ask. Calculate the shortest distance from boat to lighthouse.
Boat to lighthouse.
Boat is this and lighthouse is this. So what will be the shortest distance? So shortest distance always makes 90 degree. So a line will go over here and makes 90 degree.
Okay.
This I need to calculate. Lighthouse. So if I make, where is the boat? Boat is moving in this direction, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so lighthouse to boat is this distance we need to find, right? I will make again for you so that it will be more clear. It's very important. So I will make it again. This and this. So basically boat is moving P to Q. Over here this was 20, this angle was 50, and this is lighthouse. They said find the shortest distance of lighthouse to boat, means this distance we have to find this distance. For this distance, now you know this 50, you know this 7, you can easily find. So which ratio I have to use for this? Opposite over, whenever we talk about the shortest distance, it's 90 degree. Remember.
1 second. So wait. L is the lighthouse. Where is the boat?
Boat is going in this direction, yeah. We already learned we already saw in the question, in the wording, it was boat is going from P to Q. Okay.
P to Q. Okay.
So if the boat is going P to Q and lighthouse is here, the shortest distance is on 90 degree. So on 90 degree, if it is the shortest distance, so you will use this angle and this hypotenuse. So is it over hypotenuse? So what you will use?
Okay. 1 second. Okay, so that line we're finding, it's unknown. So that's so sine rule. Sine ratio. Sine ratio.
Yes.
Sine ratio.
Sine 50 equal to d over 70. D over 17. So d equal to 17 times sine 50. Now calculate quickly.
That's 17. Okay. Answer is 13.02.
13.02 is this. Yes, this is the distance. So we have done. So what you eat today? I need to eat some apple over here. One apple I should eat. So how many things you eat today?
In iftar, not that much fruits are considered.
Okay, that's very important. Okay, anyway, is thank you very much for today. The rest of the question you will do.
Yes, sir, send me the paper.
Yeah, I will send you this rest of the question. You can try. This is very important. The next 2 3 questions, but you can do now, right? 3 questions,
Yes.
3 more questions. Then, if you have any problem, you can ask me. Next time we will start another topic. Maybe mensuration or something like that. So every day, if you will learn thoroughly one topic, then inshallah exam will be fantastic. Okay.
Oh, yes, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye.
Yes, sir. Take care. Bye.
Take care.